For f of x equals 7 over x, find f prime of x. Let's move on to the next slide and show the solution to this. Before I continue with the finding of the derivative, i.e. f prime, let's remind you of information from the use of indices. Here you can see we have 1 over x. Now that is actually 1 over x to the power 1. And you can then say that this is equal to the 1 multiplied by the x to the minus 1, because this x to the plus 1 is brought to here and changed to x to the minus 1. And of course 1 times x to the minus 1 equals x to the minus 1. So 1 over x can be written as x to the minus 1. We can also see this. If you have a number to a negative index, that can be written as 1 over that number to the positive index. In other words, this x to the minus n can be taken below the line and changed to x to the plus n. Now there's no plus sign in front of the n, as you can see, but not having a sign there implies that it is positive. So I'll be using this and this when I differentiate f of x equals 7 over x. So we can start off by saying that the f of x is equal to 7 divided by x. We can write this as 7x to the minus 1. And the reason we're allowed to do this x, which is really x to the 1, can be brought to here and changed to x to the minus 1 because of what I introduced here. Moving on, we can say f prime of x is going to be equal to, we bring the minus 1 power down, we use that to multiply the 7, and we subtract 1 from the power. So you can see this minus 1 has been brought here to multiply the 7. And from this minus 1, as you see here, we've subtracted 1. Carrying on with f prime of x, we know minus 1 times 7 is minus 7. And we can write here x to the minus 2. And it's x to the minus 2 because of this calculation here. Minus 1 gives us minus 2. For the next stage, we can say f prime of x equals minus 7. And underneath the 7, we write x to the power 2. Now you can see that I've brought this x to the minus 2 to this position and made it x to the plus 2. Now this is allowed because of this. You see, if you have a number to a negative index, that can be written underneath the 1, where the n becomes a positive index. Of course, for the example I'm showing you here, I brought the x to the minus 2 to here and made it x to the plus 2, and because of the example I'm using, it's gone under the 7. So for f of x equals 7 over x, f prime you can see is minus 7 over x squared, where f prime is also referred to as the first derivative.